Hello, good morning, David. So you come to assist me with repair on my computer, is that correct?
That's right.
Yeah, good. Okay, so you be telling me what you do and huh?
So we'll be replacing the system board and possibly the keyboard, which includes the power button.
Oh, really? Ah.
Yeah, it's a very simple job.
Yeah. Do you think just a question like that? You think you can send my data on
Yes,
my
yeah.
Ah, yeah,
Your
because
data won't be affected.
I got on my video there. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So it looks we're working on Dell Inspiron 5000, huh?
5593.
So you're coming to open the bag then? Yeah. You remove all the screws. Wow, that's inside the computer. Ooh, dear. Could you explain a little bit what you're doing there?
So first I'm removing the battery.
Oh, you remove the battery. Where's the battery? Oh, that's tiny little stuff. Oh.
Next I'm removing the hard drive. So all your
The hard drive.
saved data is on this little chip.
That's the hard drive?
Yes.
Oh my god.
So you've got it's a, 512 gig.
Wow.
I'm just removing all the connections to the system board.
There's no fuse on your...
No, there's no fuse. There's an internal fuse on the system board, but it's too tiny to see.
And then you remove something else.
This is like a radiator for the CPU.
All right.
It takes the heat from the CPU and spreads it out. And the heat is removed from there by a fan, just like so. The fan spins.
What is part?
Fan.
Oh, the fan. Wow.
This is the memory.
Oh, memory. Good.
2 pieces of memory. The wireless card.
Oh, there's a wireless card too.
Yeah, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Completely dismantled.
And there's a hinge. And that's it. Voila.
Voilà, what is in French? Voilà. What this part is?
Motherboard.
Oh, motherboard.
Motherboard.
Is that the thing that I get? Oh, new motherboard. Oh, right. But
exactly
can you tell that where it's broken? Can you see where it's broken? Or?
No, you can't see where it's broken. It's
All right.
It could be any one of these tiny little chips. There's so many, as you can see.
Unbelievable.
Usually, sometimes there's a burn mark, like a. No, that's actually yes. You can see there's a burn mark. Can you see it?
I tried to
zoom in. Just in front of my fingernail there.
Oh.
Maybe just
It was a sticky H. The letter H was sticky.
The letter H was sticky.
Yeah, I noticed that was the old keyboard is not very responsive.
I might replace the keyboard then as well.
Yeah, because it's never been very good. Thought it very light. Wow, completely. So you have removed the screen?
Yes.
Wow. Well, all that part.
Speakers.
Right?
Speakers.
Ah, the speakers. Oh. Are they built in China?
Yes, they're built in China. Everything these days built in China.
Is Dell an American company, I think?
Yes, they're
Yeah.
from Texas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's amazing now. And that, another part.
The mouse.
Sorry?
The mouse.
Ah, the mouse.
Mouse.
Oh.
Okay.
I got like just an empty tray. My poor PC, my poor laptop, that's all. What you done, David? Oh. I trust you, but I worry now.
Not to be worried.
Yeah, geez, you look like you do that every day, like a... Ooh. So that's a new one.
Mm-hmm. So this is the keyboard assembly. It's also called the palm rest.
Okay.
So if you're watching at home,
They're all different size of screws, huh? To be careful not to...
there's only two different sizes of screws. There's a small Phillips head and a large Phillips head.
Oh, well. Oh, this first part, I forgot to tell me. It's a mouse, huh?
Yes, it's a mouse.
Ah, okay.
So now I'm just checking the alignment of the mouse. Just making sure it's clicking and has a proper gapping. Okay. I'm putting the screen assembly back.
It looks like little ribbons, and they contact, huh?
Yeah, so they're all ribbon cables.
Yeah.
Each one has a different purpose. So this one's for the fingerprint reader, this one's for the USB, this one's also for the USB, and I think this one's for the card reader.
Well.
Screen assembly back on.
And that's the main part.
The main board, yep.
The mother, what do you call motherboard?
Motherboard. There's three names: motherboard, main board, or system board.
Okay. Hmm. So the screen is attached now?
The screen is attached and we're reinstalling the memory.
Ah, you put the memory there. Oh, good.
So only one way the memory goes in, and goes, if you're ever replacing memory,
Yeah.
it goes in on an angle and then click down.
Oh, easy. It looks easy.
A lot of people install it incorrectly by installing it like that. It can damage the gold pins.
Yeah. Well done. And then this is
Same with the wireless card.
Ah, the wireless card. Okay.
Same principle as the memory.
Okay.
Up and down.
The wireless is when we put on the internet?
Yes, the wireless is for internet.
Okay.
This is a hard drive caddy.
The hard drive.
For additional hard drive.
We
already
can
have
put more.
one hard drive in the system, but we can put another one.
Oh, that's for a second hard drive.
Yes.
Okay. Good to know.
Just installing ribbon cables.
Very thin. That's another ribbon cable?
Yes. I might put this one under.
Thin.
Under here so it's out of the way.
Very thin.
Keyboard cable. Keyboard backlight cable. Speakers. hard drive. Okay, so the final thing is the radiator and the fan, but we need to put some thermal compound. It's used for transferring the heat between the CPU and the radiator.
Oh, what it is? It's a compound?
It's a compound, it's like a glue.
Oh,
Yeah.
well.
And finally the fan.
And that's a fan.
Mm-hmm.
Aye.
And before I forget, the screen cable.
What it is?
Screen cable.
Oh, the screen cable.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the... Oh.
Got 3 leftovers.
Yeah, the battery.
Ah yes, the battery.
So David, in 10 minutes you dismantle my laptop and just put everything in place.
Everything back together.
I'm very impressed by the dexterity and the precision and the speed. Oh, the screen where you replaced the whole table.
Yes, the whole
Oh, the whole
keyboard.
thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, got a good new laptop. Complete new laptop.
Refurbished.
Now it's a testing time.
Ah, there we go. So now I'm entering the serial number.
Okay.
It helps the vendor identify whose computer belongs to who and how long the warranty lasts.
Okay.
Okay, so now we can put the back cover back on because we've tested everything and everything is fine.
Oh, thank you, David. Oh, good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I hope this video will be interesting for readers, what people watching YouTube, and that's amazing. It's a complete refurbish of a Dell 15 Inspiron 5000. And the good thing to advertise for Dell, Dell is a good company because they still under warranty and they send to my house a professional repair of computer, and I can be guaranteed that the job is done properly. He has not lost any data of mine, and that's a very good point, and I'm very, very happy with that.
Okay, Gerard.
Okay.
Get you to sign in.
I put my yeah. Okay.
Because we've changed the system board, you'll have to just enter your password.
Okay. Just change my password.
Not your PIN, your password.
So, David, do you operate, because I want this video for you to do your more customers, and do you operate in a Melbourne area or?
Yes, I operate out of Geelong.
Geelong, you Geelong guy?
I'm from Point Cook.
Oh, Pankook.
Yep.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
halfway between Geelong and
Yeah,
Melbourne.
yeah.
And I do work for Dell, I do work for Lenovo, and I do work for Apple.
Ah, fantastic. Wow, you look very qualified.
Yeah.
And okay, so what's your contact number, David?
So my contact number is 0437 832 758.
Can you repeat just for me to?
Yep, 0437 832 758.
Thank you, David. Okay. I'll thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.